Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making lemon poppy seed scones. What's not to like about that? I can't think of a single thing. It has fresh lemons in it, lemon juice, lemon zest. It's got some sugar, flour, and you know what it doesn't have? It doesn't have any butter, and we're not going to miss it because we're going to put in heavy cream. It's going to make for a much simpler recipe because you don't have to cut the butter in and do all that stuff. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's do this. And of course, I was inspired by this song. We should make the scones at my place. No butter needed, not one trace. 'Cause I want the scones quickly now. Yeah, I want them quickly and now. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Second thing you want to do is get your cookie sheet ready to go with a piece of parchment paper or grease it. Sugar, lemon zest. Mush it together with your fingers because this is the one way to get that lemon zest into the sugar and the sugar into the lemon. Once your lemon and sugar mixture is nice and fragrant, and it will be, add your flour, poppy seeds, baking powder, salt, whisk to combine. Make a well in the center, just like this. Pour in your heavy cream. Add lemon juice. Kind of fold it over itself to combine this all together. You want it to start to form a dough, which it will soon enough. Flour your surface just a little bit. Transfer your dough to your lightly floured surface. If you need to, sprinkle with a little bit of flour in case it's sticking on top a lot. And we're going to pat this into an 8x6 rectangle. Back to school with this one, 6 inches here. And this is definitely not 8. It's about 6x6 right now. So let's spread that out a little bit more. Cut into 3 rough rectangles just like this. We're going to stack the rectangles one on top of the other. And we're going to pat this into another 8x6 rectangle. It's adding layers to the scone. Let me get a little bit more flour on the top there. Divide the dough in half lengthwise and then crosswise, so this way in half. And then half each rectangle diagonally. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just like that. Just like that. Now we have our 8 scones. Move your scones to your cookie sheet. For best rise results, put them in the freezer for about 15 minutes. But if you don't want to wait, I understand. Out of the freezer they came and into the oven they go for about 25 to 28 minutes until they're a nice golden brown. Time's up, they're a nice golden brown. Okay, let them rest on the cookie sheet for about 5 minutes. We're gonna make the glaze. Confectioner sugar, add a little bit of salt, whisk together. Lemon juice, heavy cream, whisk together until smooth. If yours does not seem to be getting smooth, you can add a little bit, drops of heavy cream, a little bit at a time. The instructions say to dip the scone in here, but I don't want to do that. I'm going to take the thick glaze that it is and go directly on the scone, sort of paint it on. I think that is going to achieve a better result here. Look at this lemon poppy seed scone with that fantastic glaze. So look at that. See that? Uh-huh. Oh yes, these are giant scones and boy, do they look delicious. Smell delicious too and very lemony. So, you know, it's all in the taste. So let's give this a try. It's tender like a scone. I'm not missing that butter at all. And boy, do I get that lemon flavor coming through, not only from the dough, but from that glaze. Yum. These are delicious. I could see serving these over holidays. I could see having them with brunch. I could see having them for a snack, for pretty much anything. The choice is fully yours. These are delicious. If I can make these lemon poppy seed scones for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram and TikTok for so very much more.